Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to release a zip tie without cutting it. It's actually very easy to do, and this will save you from having to buy more zip ties because you can simply reuse them. So let's get started. Alright, here we have 3 standard zip ties. I'm going to lock them first so you can see how this works. As you can see, they're fully locked. Now, if we take a closer look, you'll notice a small tab on the inside. This tab clicks into the ridges along the zip tie and keeps it locked in place. To release it, all you need to do is bend the zip tie back slightly. Then use your fingernail or a sharp object to press down on that small latch while pulling the zip tie out. Once you do that, it will release and you can reuse it again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to unlock zip ties without cutting them. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button and thanks for watching.